Hey everybody, this is Amit Shaker again with Redline Auto Show. Karim Jooma is kind of busy right now, but I just wanted to make this quick video. We're getting ready to lift this JL. Again, we're going to put a 2-inch lift kit. But the last video we made was, we'd already got it lifted and stuff. So there was a lot of comments about wanting to see the lift kit itself. We're using, of course, the Mopar 2-inch lift kit. Alright guys, so the lift kit basically comes in this wooden crate. It's a good looking crate with all the Jeep branding. I'm pretty sure that there are more uses to this crate after you've used the lift kit. If it was me, I'd keep it in my garage, maybe in my man cave, but it's a good looking crate. We're getting ready to open it. Walt here's going to go and do that just now.
This is the control arm. It replaces the control arm. Then it comes with the rear springs. And we got the front springs. These are the front spring isolators. Comes with 2 new rear sway bar end links. And then 2 for the front. 2 rear bump stops. 2 front bump stops. And then all new Fox shocks all the way around. 2 for the rear, 2 for the front.
Alright guys, so that's the complete kit. Of course, we've seen the shocks in the previous video. They're pretty hefty shocks. Let me just open one up, show it to you. These are amazing, guys. It's a 2.5-inch shock, aluminum body. It's brushed aluminum Fox shocks. So again, the rear springs. You got the front springs, the isolators, bump stops for the front, and these are bump stops for the rear. Sway bars, so I guess it corrects the geometry. Of course, this is the Mopar lift kit, so it comes with the full factory warranty, and we're getting ready to lift this. And Walt here has it up there. He's going to get the wheels off. And what wheels and tires are we going with on this one, Walt?
We haven't picked them out yet.
Okay. So how do you take this off, Walt?
It's got a wheel lock on it on the bottom right here, so you got to use this key to take this off.
No, this one is just the...
that piece right there?
Yeah.
It's got a lock. Basically, you have a torque. You just turn it to the unlock and it slides right off.
Oh, okay. So it's pretty simple, huh?
Not a big deal.
So that supports the weight of the wheel?
It does on these lugs.
Okay.
Yeah. Comes right off. The camera stays on there.
All right. So this is how it's adjustable, right? So you can loosen these and slide this up and adjust it for different wheel sizes.
Tire on there. We'll have to take these loose, raise it up, and just put new holes in it so it's taller.
campfire down below.
What we're doing on the front is we're changing out these sway bar end links, with longer sway bar end links, the longer shocks, the higher bump stop right here, and the springs, and then the shocks on both sides, and then this control arm right here. That's all we're changing out on the front. What we're going to do on the back is the shocks here, the longer sway bar end links here, the springs there, and then the bump stops go right here. And that's about all we do on the back.
And that gives a 2-inch lift?
Yeah, it's 2-inch lift, able to fit 35s.
On the Sahara and the Sport. And
yeah.
On the Rubicon, I think with the 2-inch you could put 37s on there?
On the Rubicon, they have the high lift fenders on there, so there's more room for the tire and wheel to travel. So yeah, you can fit 37s on it.
Awesome.
On the Rubicon.
Alright guys, so I'll let Walt do his thing, and if you want to see this Jeep and a bunch of other Jeeps, we have them here in stock at Hayes Chrysler Jeep in Lawrenceville. We have lifted JKs, lifted JLs. I've got a couple of JKs with 37s with the 4-inch Mopar lift kit. Make sure to stop by, check them out. It'll be my pleasure to take you on a test drive if you want to drive them. Also, we'll be driving this Jeep. We'll be out and about this Sunday, February 4th, that's 2018. We'll be at the Perimeter Mall, Dunwoody area in Georgia. We'll be driving around. That's when the caffeine&octane is. So if you want to, if you all are going to be there, look out for this silver Jeep. It'll be lifted, and if you see us, just wave. We'll stop, talk about it, and have fun.